there! Are you excited to grow, scale, and manage your Autoshop business with ease using Carmedis Autoshop platform? Let's get you rolling smoothly with these few simple steps. Step 1. On your smartphone, go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Carmedis Autoshop and hit the download button, or you can access the web platform by visiting www.autoshop.carmedis.com. Once you have downloaded the app or visited the URL page, proceed to set up your account by filling in your details and creating your password. In a few seconds, input the OTP sent to your email to verify your account. After the OTP is verified, select 2 or more specializations, fill in your workshop address, and upload a copy of your business CAC document for verification. Step 2. After successfully uploading your documents, our team will conduct a thorough KYC, making sure your facility meets our standards of operations for delivering excellent services to our clients. Once verified, you will get an email and in-app notification. Proceed to set up your wallet for seamless withdrawals to cash out with ease. But then, to set up your wallet, click on the home icon on the top left side of the screen and select Wallet. Proceed to click on Request for Withdrawal and input a 4-digit PIN of your choice. Once successful, click again on Request for Withdrawal to fill in your bank details. Now, your Carmedis wallet is all set and good to go. You can now withdraw or transfer money from your wallet directly to your bank. Step 4. Next, proceed to set up your service manager to ensure they are assigned quickly to a client after a request is accepted. Below your screen, simply click on Service and proceed to fill in the details of your service managers or technicians. Step 5. We prioritize time and convenience in giving our clients the best experience. So, when a client sends out a request, you get a pop-up notification on your smartphone if your Autoshop is the nearest to the customer. You then have less than 4 minutes to accept the request before it is transferred to the next available Autoshop nearest to the client in real time. Step 6. Once you've accepted a request, it appears on your dashboard as a case. You can then engage with the client via call or in-app chat options to understand the nature of the vehicle repair issue. Next, assign a designated service manager to take charge of the case and attend to the client's peculiar needs. Then, schedule a convenient date for vehicle inspection once the client has accepted the cost for inspection. The inspection can either be on-site or off-site. Step 7. After sharing inspection and diagnostic reports with the client and approval to commence repairs given by the client, generate an invoice detailing the services to be provided and auto parts to be purchased for the client to review and make payment. After generating and previewing your invoice, click on Send Invoice. Once the invoice has been accepted, your client makes hassle-free payment through a secure platform, ensuring transparency and trust. After payment has been made, you will get a notification of the client's successful payments via the app and the money credited to your wallet. Next, click on Cases below your screen and proceed to Estimate Case by providing the details of the services rendered and the expected date of completion. Your case status automatically updates without stress and your client receives a notification. Once the vehicle is ready for pickup, simply click on the case menu and select the particular vehicle case. Then, mark as completed and click on Ready for Pickup. Easy peasy. Your client automatically gets an update, confirms pickup, and they will be on their way. You can conveniently withdraw payments from your wallet. However, withdrawal can only be approved after a Carmedis Customer Experience Manager has confirmed customer satisfaction with the service rendered. Carmedis Autoshop is a trusted and secure platform that manages your workflow, tracks staff performance, increases your efficiency, and grows your business. Download the app today for a stellar Autoshop experience.